Don't please forget to support us, sharing, and just put like. It's something so easy for you to do. Just to support us. We wanna we need more motivation, guys, to continue on this project. مرحبا، كيفكم؟ أنا سامر من يلا عربي تيم، واليوم if you know just 10 verbs I will make it 20 verbs for you. If you know 15 I will make it 30 verbs. كيف؟ It's so easy. But if you didn't study Fusha in the first and you the grammars, there is 10 forms of verbs, okay? Okay, we don't wanna to make it complicated. We wanna to make it easy for you. طيب, any verb, when you put shaddi, you make someone else do this action. Could you give us example? Okay, come. Now, I have a verb. For I arrive. بوصل. طيب, to make someone arrive, which is to drive someone to the airport or whatever. طيب, أنا بوصل. I arrive. بوصل. I drive. أنا بوصل على البيت الساعة 8. I arrive at home at 8. أنا بوصل my friend to the airport at 8. بوصل. I drive my friend to the airport at 8. تمام؟ بوصل رفيقي على المطار. طيب, now you see it make it easy. We just put shaddi on the third letter. Depending on the beginning, accounting the first letter is B. Okay? The third letter you put shaddi. طيب, foot. I enter. فوت. I make someone enter. مثلا فوت القلم على ايدي, for example. or بفوت أنا ما بفوت كلب على بيتي. I don't allow to the dogs to enter my house. مثلا أنا ما بفوت كلب على بيتي. For example, I do allow them to enter. فوت. Okay. هلا. This kind of verbs, it's Yalla Arabic verbs. The verbs with shaddi. If you don't know this grammar, go to this link and then know شو يعني يلا عربي. Know what are we talking about, okay? Okay, بنزل. I go down. بنزل. I get something down. يعني I bring مثلا bags and I drive it down. بنزل my bag to the first floor. بنزل the stuff from the closet down. بعرف. I know. بعرف. I introduce. بعرف حالي. أنا سامر blah blah blah. بدرس. I study. بدرس. I teach. بشرب. I drink. بشرب. I make someone drink. يعني for example, you helping your baby and you بتشرب your baby water. Or بشرب you have a cat and you didn't know you offer them drink. بمشي. I walk. بمشي. I make someone walk. يعني dog. أنا بمشي كلبي كل يوم. أنا بمشي my baby كل يوم. بسمع. I hear. بسمع. Make someone hear. I have a new song. I want you to hear it. بسمع رفيقي my song. مثلا. بسكن. I live. بسكن. أنا ما بسكن French people with me. أنا ما بسكن. I'm just kidding. Okay, just examples. But yeah, I love French people. بسكن. I live. بسكن. I make someone live. بسكن. بدي سكن رفيقي معي. بدي سكن خيي معي. For example. بركب. I ride. بركب. I make someone ride. مثلا بركب horse. بركب حصان. بركب سيارة. بركب بايسكل. بركب رفيقي معي بالسيارة. تمام؟ Is it clear? Leave it in the comment the other verbs that you know and you wanted to make it the other verb, okay? See you next session. Don't Please forget to support us, sharing, and just put like. It's something so easy for you to do. Just to support us. We wanna we need more motivation, guys, to continue on this project. Thank you, and I will see you next session. بحبكم كتير.